If you live in Hilliard, Ohio, and you're thinking about downsizing, or you're thinking about selling your Hilliard house and then downsizing at some point in the near future, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been working with homeowners and home sellers in and around Hilliard, Ohio. We get about 80 to 90 calls a month. And a large percentage of these calls are people just like you who are looking to downsize. We've worked with hundreds and hundreds of people in your same situation. Maybe you're downsizing because you're an empty nester, or maybe you want to move closer to family, or you have other plans, or maybe you're just looking for something with less upkeep and less maintenance. Whatever the case may be, we know you're just looking for something fair. You're looking for something easy and convenient. You're not desperate. You're not looking to give the house away. You probably have a lot of memories in this house. This is a big part of your life. We're going to treat you fairly, just like we've done and been doing for over 14 years. And the reason people like working with us is we're a cash buyer. So this is not a traditional type of buyer where we have to qualify for a loan and hopefully the bank approves our application, and then there's going to be realtor commissions involved, and that's just money out of your pocket. If you ask me, you don't need a realtor, you don't need to work with a buyer who needs to qualify for a loan, because we're a true cash buyer. And that brings many benefits. The biggest one is the timeline. So if you want to close this transaction for a fair price and you want it to happen quickly, we can make it happen quickly because there's no bank approvals needed. Or if you need more flexibility because you maybe need to identify your next place, if you need help identifying your next place, just let us know. We've helped a lot of people. We've actually helped them with movers and everything. We're local. So we are well connected and we can make this extremely easy for you. But if you want to move fast, we can move fast. If you want to create something flexible and create a target closing date in the future, we can do that. The ball's in your court. We're going to treat you fair, and we're very familiar with these types of calls. And when you call us, our number is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. You can fill out a very basic form and then we'll get on the phone. But when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about what timeline or time frames that you're currently working with. So that's it. There's no pressure. There's no fake urgency. There's no gimmicks and sales tactics and scripts. And no, we're two neighbors talking to each other. We're here in Central Ohio, and we're going to treat you fair, be very transparent. If our offer works for you, great. We will move forward just like we've done with hundreds of other people in your situation, and it's going to be very easy. We're going to communicate clearly the entire time. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay. We'll shake hands, part as friends. There's no crime, no foul. At least you know what your options are at this point, and we're going to keep everything extremely transparent the entire time. If it doesn't work for you, that's okay. If it does work for you, we're going to move forward and make this extremely easy for you. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. We work with people in and around Hilliard, Ohio, who are downsizing all the time, and we look forward to working with you as well. So once again, I'm Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I very much look forward to working with you.